Welcome to Dr. Balaga's God Knowledge Doc podcast, your quick dive into the latest medical breakthroughs to keep you ahead of the curve. Let's get started. This video is on the genetic architecture and evolutionary constraints in the human pelvic form, published in Science 11th April 2025. Today is 16th April 2025. Human pelvis evolved due to the demands of upright walking and birthing large-brained infants. The obstetrical dilemma proposes a trade-off. Narrow pelvis aids locomotion but hinders childbirth. Previous studies were limited by sample size and lack of integrated phenotypic and genetic data. These investigators used deep learning to analyze 31,000 DEXA scans from the UK Biobank in both genders. They identified 7 pelvic phenotypes, including birth canal dimensions. They conducted genome-wide association studies to identify genetic loci and heritability. They correlated pelvic traits with childbirth outcomes, gait efficiency, and pelvic floor disorders. What did they find? 180 loci were identified. Pelvic traits are moderately to highly heritable, 32 to 48%. The subpubic angle showed gender-specific genetic architecture. Narrower birth canals linked to faster walking but higher obstructed labor risk. Wider canals linked to easier childbirth but more pelvic floor dysfunction and hip osteoarthrosis. Key takeaways: pelvic evolution reflects multiple selective pressures, childbirth, locomotion, and pelvic floor integrity. Birth canal dimensions are moderately heritable, 32 to 48%. 180 genetic loci are linked to pelvic traits, some are gender specific. Narrower pelvis favors locomotion but complicates childbirth. Wider pelvis eases childbirth but raises pelvic floor risk. No link found between pelvic traits and gestational duration. Strong genetic correlation between head size and pelvic width. Supports co-evolution of brain and pelvis. Expands the obstetrical dilemma into a multifactorial model. Podcast brought to you by Master MedFacts at mastermedfacts.com.